Abstract Raven.
I'm Abstract JB.
I'm Abstract Hiro.
And I'm Abstract Gab.
First and foremost, we would like to thank Victory Plaza Mall and Amarta Entertainment for having us here at P-Pop Fans Day with Style 2.0.
Ayan, and let's check the energy of our P-Pop fans.
Siyempre.
Okay guys, grabe no, wala pa tayong ginagawa. Grabe na yung energy ng nasa side dito.
Kaya nga
Ayan guys.
Sila din.
Ayan
So,
ang pag
malalaman
sinabi natin, kumusta P-Pop fans? Ang isasagot nyo po is
Abstract
Okay!
So,
Thank you so much
So,
po.
let's go.
In 3, 2, 1, kumusta P-Pop fans?
So, grabe yung energy nila. So, at this point po, we would like to invite you all to support our debut single entitled
Nakalutang!
Composed by Abstract and produced by Luminous Studios to be released on September 4, 2026 on all digital platforms music worldwide.
Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Ayan, pag may time kayo, September 4, release po natin yan. And abangan nyo yun guys kasi pinaghandaan talaga namin yun. Para kayong nakalutang pag
Napakinggan
napakinggan nila.
Napakinggan nila.
Kaya naman, for our next song, I'm sure na kikiligin kayo. So if you know this song, sing with us.
Siyempre di kayo papatalo. Binibini, anong pangalan?
My name is Ashley.
Oh, di ba? Siyempre di papatalo kinuha ko. What's your name, princess?
Alam mo na kagad ah.
Sam, what a beautiful name.
Hello, Miss Beautiful. Ano ba pangalan?
Gwen.
Ganda ni ate ko.
Nako, syempre last but not the least, ang balagbag sa stage. Pero maganda.
Nag-Brazilian siya.
What's your name?
Ganda po.
Ganda!
Wow, ganda naman.
Akala ko baby. No. Eh, palapakan naman natin sila.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so much,
guys. Thank you po. Nice to
Kita
meet
natin
you
sila
po.
guys.
Ingat po kayo. Thank you
so
very
much,
much.
guys.
Later, catch up tayo
Wow.
Catch up tayo later. Opo, dadaan si ganda.
Thank you so much, guys.
Ingat guys. Ingat. Thank you.
So, yun po, hindi naman po namin papalagpasin yung pagkakataon po na ito para i-invite po kayo na i-follow ang aming social media accounts at Abstract. That is ABZTRACT sa Facebook, TikTok, IG, and meron na rin po sa YouTube.
That's
Yun po.
right.
And sa aming solo account, at Abstract Raven,
At Abstract Travis.
At Abstract Gab.
At Abstract Hiro. And at Abstract JB. Kaya sana po ipatuloy nyo kami supportahan sa aming mga online ganaps. And speaking of online ganaps, meron po kaming FB Live every Saturday po yan
That's
at
right.
8:30 p.m.
Followed by our TikTok live at 9 p.m. at sana'y makasama namin kayo guys.
And abangan nyo kami dahil lalabas kami sa Family Feud anytime this
Family
August.
Feud. Wow. That's right, guys.
Abangan nyo yan guys, abangan nyo.
Yan, muli maraming salamat po sa lahat, especially sa mga ABCs natin dyan. Thank you so much.
Again, support po natin ang mga P-pop artists and the whole P-pop community. Once again, we are
Abstract!
thank you guys!
Thank you guys!